Kathy with my DIY. Welcome. I am bringing another Dollar Tree haul to you today. As you know, I do a lot of DIYs on my channel, and Dollar Tree is my supply store. You can get so many great things for $1. Let me show you what I got. Yes, I feel like I struck gold at the Dollar Tree. When I first noticed these serums on the shelf, I was in such a shock because these products in beautiful packaging look like the serums that Sephora would sell for at least $30. Look at the first one, Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum. Retinol is actually up on the ingredients list, which is amazing. Clinical strength retinol for instant and long-lasting effect, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And the second one, hyaluronic acid 1% plus vitamin C serum, hydration radiant antioxidant, clinical formula to improve skin texture, clarify with intense moisture, balance, brightens, whitens, and all the great stuff. I decided to get 2 bottles of each because when I went on eBay and noticed that they sell for $22 plus $6.50 shipping, I was so shocked. When I got home, I did a little more research and found out that Amazon sells these for $6.40, which is a lot cheaper than eBay, but still 6 times as much as Dollar Tree. I had even found a review by Budget Glam Babe on YouTube. A lady tried one of these products, the retinol serum, and she loved it. I'm gonna link her channel down below so you guys could check it out too. And I had tried these too before posting the video for a couple days. And I have to tell you guys, I use the hyaluronic acid in the morning and then the retinol at night. My skin feels amazing. So smooth, moisturized, and just wonderful. Oh my goodness, this is a great product. I actually gonna go back and look for some more. And I'm wondering if any of you guys had seen it already. Did you try it? Because this is first time that I saw it at my Dollar Tree. I also feel like I hit a jackpot with the deodorants. Look at all these deodorants I got for $1. I usually get them at the Walmart, but still pay much more. And then I found these brushes. How cute are they? The price tag says $5. So I was very happy to get these for $1. They're actually good quality paddle brushes. And my daughter loves them. One is with the unicorn and another one with the emojis. Just so cute. I also found the most adorable binder for my daughter. Look at these prints. Unicorns, rainbows, cacti, pineapples. This is just too cute. All the things that little girls like. And then I got her this sketch pad. My spirit animal is a unicorn. Very, very cute. And I am so happy that Dollar Tree now sells the Hallmark cards. I got a couple packs of the thank you cards that will come very handy now with the end of the school year coming. Did you guys see these pictures? To teach is to love. I actually gave some of these out already to our teachers with the pencil vase that I made. I'm gonna add a link for those interested. And then a couple random things like the book rings that I found. Set of 6 for $1 is an excellent deal, and I know kids will be looking for them when school starts in September. So at the Dollar Tree, when you see something useful like that, you gotta grab it because it's not gonna last long. Same with the wired jute cord. It's a new product and it's just so hot right now, very useful for the crafts. And I am so excited to find some more felt ribbon. I recently used it on to make a bow on Mother's Day wreath. It came out so beautiful. Everybody loved it. So I'm happy to find more and a different design actually, because before I had butterflies and flowers. So this is just too cute. Another great find are these long stem red roses. They're just so pretty, so realistic looking. You can never tell these are even fake roses. Look, guys, they even have thorns. That's how pretty they are. $1 each. I actually tested these on my sister. I cut the Dollar Tree roses, put them in a vase with some water and greenery from my garden, and gave it to her. She had these roses for 2 days in her house and had no idea that these were not real. And she only found out because I posted a comment on Facebook and she read it. That's how she found out. I also got these. I thought they were white roses, but I read the label and I don't know if I can pronounce it right. Ranunculus. They're so pretty too. They actually have a shade of pink in the middle. I think it's an excellent deal for $1. You actually get two on one stem. I am so happy to see these back at the Dollar Tree. I actually had them earlier in the spring in cream color. The greenery is so beautiful. Really nice quality greenery that you can use for many projects and arrangements. I used these in cream color in my dining room with the hydrangea centerpiece. Came out gorgeous. I also grabbed one of these Patriotic bouquets. I mean, it's not the best quality daisies, but it's the best they had, and I'm gonna need some of this for my 4th of July Memorial Day decorations. And I was so happy to see a patriotic butterfly. If you guys watch my DIYs, you know that I love the butterflies. It's my cherries on the top, I call them. So happy to find this guy. Also got some LED lights that I plan to use on a wreath and some foam scatter. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because there's many nice DIYs coming up soon. And I am loving my new garden flag. It is so pretty with the wooden background. Great deal for $1. I also got this welcome sign in God We Trust. It was my favorite sign. I think it is so cute. They have so many over there to choose from, guys. It's worth checking out. And I took a roll of patriotic ribbon because it reminds me a little bit of burlap. And while at it, I grabbed a pack of 16 hot dog holders. They're gonna come in so handy at the long weekend barbecue. I also found some beautiful summer plates, like these watermelons. Kids love them, as well as the lemons. I think they had orange too. They're just too adorable. Even found some matching napkins, 16 for $1 and plates 12 for $1. I even found some folks lemons, which made me so happy because I am planning a lemon DIY very soon. I am loving all the lemons and I was very excited to find this adorable towel. Also, I have been hunting for these mason jar signs and finally they reached my store too. I am so happy I got all three. I'm not sure if there was more, but my location had only three and I got all of them. And then I found also a drink glass. That's also cute for the summer decor. So I got that one and also one more sign, Hello Summer. I think I'll use that for a wreath for front door. I also want to share with you a squishy that I found in the toys department. It is so cute and fun to play with, but it could double as a summer decor, don't you think? I also got a pack of the paper cutouts, mason jars. I think there's like four in there and four different fruits. I think they're very cute for summer party. And I also got the matching plates. How adorable are these guys? Oh my gosh, I'm loving these colors. I also got the umbrella picks and the drink stirrers. They're so cute, and you gotta get them now because before summer comes, they'll be gone. I also got a few of these tablecloths. They come with the flannel backing. It's a thin one, but still, it's much stronger quality than regular vinyl tablecloths. And I picked up some potty decorations too, like these flamingos and palm trees decoration strings. They're so cute. They long and it's a big decoration for $1. Also, this banner with the tropical leaves, it is so cute. These are cut out of felt. It's a nice quality on a jute string. I'm loving this and I'll be using it many times. I also got this cute little monkey. And this garland is a great find. You know why? Because after the summer, it's very easy to remove the letters and use it for other occasions. It's a nice quality, like hard burlap type of material. The letters come off very easily. You can remove the birds of the string. You can connect two of these garlands together and have a longer one. I recommend getting this. This is gonna last. It's a good quality. And these splash rings are the biggest hit with my children. They are loving them. I actually blew them up already just to see, and turns out they're large. They're amazing. They're really nice quality, not that thin. And look at this. My daughter fits in it so easily. She is 10 years old, and my son 13, and even he fits in it. So it's great. They're so cute and bright colors and just adorable. Oh my gosh, they look like you paid $5 for them at least. And look at these cute jars. Retail therapy found that's the money I'll be saving for my Dollar Tree shopping. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So cute. And the second one is the vacation fund, and my daughter already took it and she'll be saving for a Florida trip. I am so happy to find this sign, plant a garden and watch it grow. That's what I do. I love gardening. And to see that galvanized background is just perfection to me. I love it. It's one of my all-time favorite Dollar Tree signs. And these must be my all-time favorite stickers at Dollar Tree. When I saw it, I was mesmerized. This is just what I create. This is what's in my head. I mean, I've been making the umbrella reefs and the arrangements in the watering cans and planting flowers like that. Every single thing speaks to me. It's unbelievable that somebody made stickers about my ideas. It's like, oh my goodness, I'm still in shock. I'm not even a sticker person, and I bought like doubles of these. They're so freaking adorable. And that concludes my Dollar Tree haul. I have a few amazing items I found at a Family Dollar. Everything I bought was just $1. Let me show you. I am so happy to find these little birds because Dollar Tree doesn't have any birds lately, and I love to use these with my DIYs. And they actually make noise. Very cute, right? Well, after a while, guys, it gets annoying. So unless you use it on the outdoor reef, don't take out that little strip. Just keep it in there. And look at these tiny flip-flops. These are supposed to be coasters for your summer drinks. Of course, that would be cute, but I cannot wait to make a DIY with this. This is so adorable. And because I couldn't find any more signs at the Dollar Tree, I got one at the Family Dollar. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I got this because it is shaped like a surfboard. I have a project in mind, so make sure you guys watch. One of my summer DIYs is gonna be with a surfboard. Very cute. You're gonna like it. And I couldn't pass up a flower pen. This tulip was just too cute. They only had yellow at my store. There must be more. Let me know, guys, if you've seen other colors. Let me show you this flag banner. It is hands down the best find at the Family Dollar today. I love it. It is such a nice quality banner. It's actually as thick as a flag almost. It's so nice, a little bit vintage looking. I mean, unbelievable piece of decor for just $1. And I also picked a pack of red, white, and blue paper straws. They didn't have any at my Dollar Tree, and I thought these were so cute. They had so many different designs. Lastly, I found these beautiful quote books. They're actually for mothers, and I know it's after Mother's Day, but it doesn't matter for me. Mothers should be celebrated all year round, right? So look at this quote. Mother is she who can take a place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. Isn't that true? And look how beautiful. These books come with the matching envelopes. You can write out the names, and just so pretty. What a great deal. This is much better than a card. I mean, you can read all these texts. You can make a dedication inside for your mom. Look at this. And I got a kick out of this one. It's not easy being a mother. If it were easy, fathers would do it. And I love the flower cover on this one. The hand that rocks the cradle is the hand that rules the world. So pretty. Of all the rights of women, the greatest is to be a mother. I love it. If you guys enjoy poetry and quotes, I actually want to give a shout out to my friend Michael. I'm going to put a link down below. Make sure you check out his channel. He creates his own beautiful poetry and quotes. I highly recommend it. All right, guys, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs in the future with many things that I purchased. Ouch, Coco! Oh my gosh, she's in this biting stage now. So I'm going to be doing a lot of more projects in the future, and I don't want you to miss anything. All right, guys? So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.